Have you ever tried speaking on stream when music's blasting in the background and chat can't hear a word you're saying and you're struggling trying to talk over the top of your own music? That's where audio ducking comes in. And what it does, it allows you to lower the volume of one of your sources whilst another one is active. And then it goes back up again when you're done. The concept of audio ducking is it lowers the background audio and is triggered by your microphone activity. So it's used quite a bit in streaming, podcasts, it'll be used in radio and things, but it's very, very handy for streamers because it means it allows your chat to hear what you're saying, but also doesn't take away the immersiveness or the ambience of the music in the background. The other plus side is it means that the streamer doesn't have to manually start moving up and down sliders to change audio volume. OBS and Meld will do it itself automatically. First thing I'm going to do is we're going to go on the OBS and we're going to go down to our audio source, which is playing. Click on the three dots and then go up to audio and video filters. Click on the plus sign and go to compressor. And this is what we're going to use for the audio ducking. At the bottom, you'll see a thing that says sidechain and ducking. Click on that and then click on your microphone. Now you have a few settings here, but the main one I use is threshold. So I put that there about 40 odd decibels. And so this means now when I speak, it lowers audio source again. Now, the thing to remember about the threshold is a setting that decides when the ducking starts. Your ratio is going to be how much the music drops by, and your attack and release is how quickly it reacts to you, whether you want it to happen immediately or whether you want it to happen a bit more smooth. And now we're going to go into Meld Studio. Now, first thing I'm going to want to do is go down to my audio source and click on the plus sign. This will bring me up options. Now I want to click compressor. There's settings on the right hand side of compressor, and the first one on there is called sidechain, and this is where you want to select your microphone. Now I'm only going to change the threshold on this one. I'm going to do the same as I did in OBS. I'm going to bring it down to about 4 decibels. So this means now when I speak, it lowers the volume of the music, and when I stop speaking, it's going to put it back up again. And this is how you set up audio ducking in Meld. Now it's going to be the same as before, where there's going to be other options like ratio and attack and release that you can use to tweak that or customize it any way you want, but you can work away with that any way you wish. But it's not even just audio sources you can do this with. You can do it with gameplay scenes, you can do it with alerts, you can do it with anything that comes down and that's audio and that can overpower your voice. So it's really multifaceted. And if that video was in any way helpful, please give us a like, a subscribe. And if you have any other questions or anything you want us to cover in any future topics, fire it down in the comments down below. And once again, thanks again for watching.